Guys, today I'll be showing you how I do my crochet locks. You share your hair into 4 places and you plait it one by one until the whole hair finish. But before you share your hair, before you plait your hair one by one, you need to first have 2 mirrors, one in the front and one in the back, to be able to see both front and back. So this is how the hair looks like after I've been plaiting it one by one. I tell you, it's not easy, it's not that simple, but it's fun, it's amazing. You need to take your time. You need to have fun when you're doing it. A glass of some wine or some tea would make you feel great while you're doing it. So hi guys, just want to remind you not to forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I enjoy doing it because the result at the end was so amazing. It was great. I really love it. So guys, this is how you plait the hair one by one. You share it, you take your time. I always love when I'm doing my hair. This core of my head should be very neat and clean. That is how I know that I've done a great job. So this is what I come up with after everything. It takes time, but yeah, I did it. It's done. It's looking great. You can leave your hair like this. You do not have to put locks on it. You can still leave it like this. It's fine if you want to just get some hair on your head. So first, before you put the locks, you share your hair into 4 places again, so that you can be able to see your hair or you don't miss out any of the hair. So you first share it, and this is my 2 different hair I'll be using, black and red. I first use the black on the back of my hair because the black, I did not really like it because my hair already is black. So yeah, so I'd rather go for black on the back of my hair and I put the red on top just to cover. But you will still be able to see the black down. When you finish, the black will still be showing somehow, a little bit, not that much. So this is what you will come up with after. Tell you one thing about this, it takes time, and you cannot finish it one day. It depends, although some people be able to finish it in one day. It depends on what time they started it, but I love taking time when I'm doing my things. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to never miss a new All Sorts video. So yeah, this is what I'm coming up with, and it's great. I feel so great. This hair, it's amazing. When you finish with it, you will enjoy and feel great on it. But one thing you need to be aware of, it's not that simple. Okay, it's not that simple at all. And when you finish this hair, you need at least 3 days for yourself to be able to sleep. So it wouldn't be advisable for businesswomen or office ladies because you will not be able to meet up with work. You'll be so late because you'll be tired and feeling dizzy, when you're done with it, honestly. But after 3 days of this hair, you will enjoy for 1.5 months or up to 2 months. You will be taking a break from anything concerning hair. So this is why I really love this style of hair, because you don't have a trouble combing your hair when you're going out. You don't have a trouble to fix arranging when you're going out. You could just wake up anytime, take your shower, get dressed, and out of the door. So this is what I love most on this hair. So easy, simple. If you're in a hurry, if you want to go somewhere and you run out of time, it's one thing less that you need to be worried of. So this is it. I love it. It feels amazing. Look at how the down of the hair, it's so clean, so neat, so perfect. I enjoy it, and I hope you guys will enjoy doing it. Please let me know if you have this hair done because it's not easy. Have time doing it.